Buying this house has changed a lot for us.
We chose to buy because we were getting ready to get engaged and move out of the city.
We lived in a small one-bedroom apartment before this place, so we came out to the suburbs to get married and have a family, and we have so much more space here, and our dog loves it too.
We chose Kellen because we're good family friends with Brad and the team over there. He connected me with Kellen, sat us down all together, kind of gave a great overview of the overall process and what we can expect with her. And yeah, she took over from there, and we were in great hands with her. I would absolutely recommend everybody to work with the Moore McGuire team. I know being a first-time home buyer, could be a little bit unnerving going in the process, not knowing what to expect and things like that. They held our hand through the whole process. Everything went as smoothly as I thought.